Hey guys, today we'll be working on creating a border for your image. So let's start with the magic wand, okay, and let's clear up this image. Alright, this looks pretty good so far. Now what you want to do is go to this tab here, this layer. I want you to right click, go down to alpha to select. Okay, you have all this highlighted, and now I want you to go to this icon right here, select. I want to go down to grow. Alright, for grow, let's just put 5. So you can see that it kind of move. Probably 5 not good enough. Let's go to 10. Okay, so you can tell the line is kind of expanded a little bit. So once you got that expanded, go down to here, add another layer. Let's call this border, and make sure it's on transparency. Okay, click OK. Now you have this 2 layer here. So on the top layer, I want you to select the bucket tool. Okay, and then choose the color. For this one, I will choose white. Okay, so you click OK, and then you click onto the image. Now you have a white layer right here. So in order to see this onto your image, all you have to do is make sure the bottom image is on top. So on this icon down here, just move it up, and now you have a border around the image. And then all you have to do now, just export it out. Okay, so I'm just gonna export it to my desktop. So clearly you can see the white here, but let's change it to another color. Let's go to this. You could just select your bucket tool, change it to, let's just say, red. Okay, there you have it red. But you can work on it and create better detail. But the idea of this is just to create a border around the image. So yeah, I hope this video helped.